What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Andy's or Austin, and today a header install on the 5th gen. I know we ain't got much light. We really need some more light, but I'm about to go to O'Reilly's right now and get some grease. Let's see. Hey there, buddy. What's up, dude? You don't need this box? Yes, sir. Today, we are putting on the long tubes. Right after I get back from getting some grease. I always pick the best days to do things where it's like pouring down rain and flooding. I'm beyond excited. You know what? Hold on. Let's get one little startup on camera before the headers and everything else. The header's installed. She's gonna wake up the neighbors. That's the plan, though. That's the plan. Okay, so we got all of the spark plugs out and the wires. Now next, we are gonna remove the O2 sensor. It's gonna be over right here, this little sensor back. So pretty much, my tripod sucks. And I'm gonna have to like do this kind of one-handed just to give you guys a show. So your spark plugs, which I showed you in the last video, just right here. Just like so. Look at that bad boy. I think it looks pretty done. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yo, okay, so yeah, the next thing we're gonna do is plugs out. The wires. You're gonna take the wires out. Yeah. Now, you don't necessarily have to take the spark plugs out, but as you can see, they are right underneath them bolts. So it's always safer, I guess. You know, I'm gonna take them out just because this is my first time doing it, so I'm gonna be extra cautious, and I'm gonna go ahead and take them out. But then after you take the spark plugs out, it'll be all right. You disconnect your battery and remove the O2 sensor, which is back here. I'm not too sure if you guys can see it, but it's back there. I'm gonna pull it out in just a second. Okay, so we got the old manifolds out, and we got those new bad boys in. Now all that's left is put the plugs in and the wires. We'll be good to go. Yes, sir. But as soon as I get that done, I'm gonna give you guys the first. Damn, look at them bad motherfuckers shining. We got the car, we got the spacers on. I don't know if you guys can tell. Got the spacers on. Good on her. I know I haven't posted I think it's been about a week, so yeah, it's coming up on a week. Let's give you guys a start. I think I gave y'all the first start earlier already. Give you guys another start. sound good. She look good. Yes, sir. Damn, focus. But that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for this one. Next time I'm gonna try to get you guys some pools and some other things, and we'll get a couple drives. But we'll see you in the next one.